Hi everyone and welcome back to my vlog page. So we love Pokemon. So I have another Pokemon tech accessories for each and everyone Pokenatics out there. So I have a new product. So as you can see, this Pikachu night light glowing. So okay, bedside living room ornament birthday. So I just bought this for 165 pesos. So the original price is 175 and then the COD is 165. So I just purchased a free shipping in Shopee. So let's open this up, guys. So okay, right here. So okay. So it has also a box. So I chose the item with a box, so that you will see the box inside. Okay, so there it goes. Tada! So this is the Pokemon Pikachu. So I'm gonna take this off and then let's gonna open. So it is so lightweight, so not so big, not so heavy. Okay, Pikachu mini mood lamp. Okay, you can see right there. So there's nothing quite aspects on it. So here it is. This is the Pikachu night light. So it's a battery operated only. So let's check it out, guys. So this is the Pikachu night light. So if I'm gonna take this off, so there's a battery on it. So as you can see right there, so it is a Pikachu night lamp. So you can use it in the night. So you can use it okay, I'm gonna turn off the lights. So right there, as you can see the Pikachu for the night lamp. So this is the Pikachu night lamp over here, and you can see the full light. You can see the full, it is glowing light yellow. So it's the yellow. And then okay, so I'm gonna and then I'm gonna turn the lights on. Okay, so first impression, so I like it. So cute, and there's a tail on it. So I don't know what. Okay, but it's a rubber one. So it's a rubber one. So that's the tail, and then also at the back, and then the line of Pikachu over here, and then right here is good also. The ears is, yes, it is really it's really cute, guys. So Pikachu is sleeping on it. So and then it is a battery operated, so 4.5 volts. So let's try to open this. So 3 batteries. Okay, as you can see, 3 batteries. So need to find I'm gonna buy also a battery for this, so if ever the battery is not working anymore. So I thought it was USB rechargeable, but it is a battery operated. But I think it's worth to buy and worth the price also if you want to have this kind of lamp. So here it goes. Yes, okay. I very like it. I think it's so cute. It is so cute, and I just love it. Okay, so this is my first video that I am talking about the product. So my my last two vlog in my page is I am not talking, since that was unboxing also, but I'm just lucky today because I am the only one in our house, so that I can make a voice unboxing and first impression, and also first impression, and also a quick review for the product. So this is so good. I think this is a full eight. I think I'm gonna make it a full review. Okay. The product is good, and then as you can see, it is so cute and so lovely, and then yes, I really love it. So I think it's good, and also this is great. So for night lamp for you guys. So and also you can bring this anywhere.